In this video, I'm going to show you how you can clone your Telegram app on your Android smartphone. Now, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to use Redmi Note 10. However, this process should be the same on any other Android smartphone. So, in as much as Telegram allows you to create multiple accounts on the same app, sometimes you may want to have two separate Telegram apps on your Android smartphone. So, this is possible on Android smartphone. Now, to get started, go to Settings. And then from Settings, scroll down until you see the option called Apps. And here is my Apps option. I'll tap on it to open. So under Apps, we have an option called Dual Apps. Here's my Dual Apps. Tap on it to open. So this will go ahead and open all the apps that you have on your smartphone. And currently, I have quite a number of them, as you can see here. Now, among the list, you can see we have Telegram here. So go ahead and scroll down until you find your Telegram app. And then go ahead and toggle on this to allow dual apps. And as you can see, the creation has been done. So if I go back, I should be able to find another Telegram app on my smartphone. So I'll go ahead and now look at that. We have now two Telegram apps on this smartphone. So we have this Telegram, the initial Telegram that already have an account. And then we have this new Telegram app. It is still original, and as you can see, it is using Google services. That's why you can see this yellow badge. It is still okay. So go ahead and tap on it, and you'll find that it is just similar to the other app, where you can now begin setting up your account and start messaging. So that's how you clone your Telegram app on your Android smartphone. So if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.